Hello and welcome back to English Today. This is DVD 8 and the fourth DVD of your elementary level. And in this DVD, you will see another 2 episodes of That's Life, our story, followed by our special TV programs. This time, a sports expert will be talking all about rugby, followed by air travel without stress, featuring our travel expert. Then, in the grammar section, we will study the future forms will and going to, and also look at special question forms and question tags. Okay, so happy studying to you all.
How does this scarf suit me, Anne?
Oh, very well. You look fine.
Really? I'm not sure. Look, maybe this one looks better?
Don't panic, Peter. Everything is going to be all right tonight.
I don't know. Actually, I have a sore throat. And I'm losing my voice. I'll sing badly tonight. I'm sure of it.
Come on, Peter. You will sing very well. You are a professional singer. Don't forget it. Well, I'm going to have some tea. Would you like some?
Thank you, Anne. I would really like a cup of tea, if it's not too much trouble.
No, not at all. I'll just add some water to the pot. A cup of tea and my chocolate cake will keep your mind off the musical for 5 minutes at least.
Shall I give you a hand?
Oh, yes, thanks. Here is the cake.
Oh,
Oh, Peter! Okay, listen. I know you are nervous, but try to be careful, please.
I'm sorry, Anne. Listen, how do you think the musical will go?
I think it will go very well. Grease is considered a classic musical. It's successful, entertaining. There will be loads of people clapping.
Do you really think so?
Sure I do. Hey, Peter, what time does the show start?
At 9 o'clock. How are we going to get to the theater?
I'm going to drive.
I don't think that's a very good idea.
Why not?
Because parking there is almost impossible.
Okay. We'll take the tube.
That's a much better idea. When should we leave?
Around 8:30?
No, that's too late.
Okay. We'll leave earlier.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Anne.
Oh, Peter! You're hopeless. Okay, listen. I think you need to relax a bit. Why don't you go and take a nap?
I can't sleep. I'm too nervous.
Okay. Why don't you rehearse your part again?
I can't. I can't remember anything.
Okay. Go wherever you want. Just, please, leave me alone. Please.
Hi, and welcome back to English Today, the only live TV program when you can learn the English language. Did you see that Peter dropped chocolate cake and tea all over the table and Anne didn't really react? She's becoming more tolerant, isn't she? Great. Now, I have an interesting thing to teach you in this lesson, and it's about will. Now, people usually think that will, the future will, is very easy in English. But it isn't that easy. And in this lesson, I want to look at a particular use of will. Now, watch this. Listen. Imagine that I'm in Oxford Street in London shopping. I stop outside a shop and I see a beautiful dress. And I think, I like that. I want that. And I say, I'll buy it. I'll buy it. Now, I'll is the abbreviation of I will. I'll buy it. We use this form when we make a spontaneous decision. It's nothing planned. It happens spontaneously. It's called in English a snap. Snap decision. All right? Let's continue. So, I see the dress and I think, I'll buy it. Great. Then I look at the price. 1,500 euro. Crikey. And I think, I won't buy it. Negative of will. I won't buy it. But then I think, no, wait a minute. I haven't bought myself anything lovely for a long time. Maybe my boyfriend can help me. So I decide I'll buy it. I go into the shop. I talk to the shop assistant and I say, that dress, I like that dress. Can I try it? She says, yeah, sure. So I put it on, look at myself in the mirror and think, fantastic. I'll take it. So I go to the shop assistant and I say, I'll take it. She says, fine, madam. How would you like to pay? How would I like to pay? Cash? Must be joking. Cash? 1,500 euros cash? No. Credit card. Yes, exactly. I'll pay by credit card, okay? I'll pay by credit card. So, in my bag, here's my bag. Oh no, I left my credit card at home. What shall I do? Come on. Yeah, good. I'll come back tomorrow. I'll come back tomorrow, okay? And she says, that's fine, madam, that's fine, don't worry. She says, yeah, I'll put it aside for you, madam. I'll put it aside. And I'll say, great, thank you so much. Don't worry, I'll definitely come back tomorrow. Okay, now, all those were examples of snap decisions, spontaneous decisions, and that happens many times in a day. So, let's look at the form together. We have I will contracted to become I'll. Look at the examples. I'll try it. I'll take it. I'll pay by credit card. I'll put it aside for you. I'll make a bowl of pasta. And I'll come back later. So, snap, spontaneous decisions. I'll. All right? Now, the negative form we mentioned before, you heard me with the money, is won't. Be careful with the pronunciation. It's not want, it's won't. So the example is, I won't buy it. Or, I won't pay by cash. All right? So, will, won't. You can also ask a question in this situation of a snap decision, and you can say, shall I? Now that's a big change, because will in the question form becomes shall. So we say, shall I make a bowl of pasta? Or shall I help you? All right, that's the question form. So, I'll do it. I won't do it. Shall I do it? So those are snap decisions, very